Okay, August the 7th, 2026. That's the second train we've missed in 5 minutes headed south. We're at Mason Mill Park. We've just come across the railroad and down to what used to be the old city of Decatur Water Works. I've got a better picture than this. If I can find it, we will use it. But this is what this place looked like years ago. The cistern is right up the hill up there. We are right here, and this was a little picnic area and grill. Ornamental river stone fountain. We'll show you this fountain. It is right down there. There's a spout. It's right down there, so you'll be able to see it. I'm not sure what this was. And this is a water filtration tank. It's still here. This one's gone. This one is still here. This old building is gone, but we have some excellent pictures of this building before it completely crumbled into the ground, of this gable end and another one right here, looking from this hill up here in the snow, and a couple of other different times. This is the main road coming in, which would be coming in pretty much right down through here. Coming in and coming right down through here. And the old road was right in there, and you'll be able to see some of this other, what that one is right there is this tank right here. So this one is still there. I'll show you that one. This building is gone. Of course, this building is gone. Okay, let's walk down. And Mason Mill Park is up the hill up here. The old dam, this breached dam is right there. We'll see it. Stone Bridge is one of my favorites. I've got some excellent pictures of it as well. We'll show you the fountain, the stone fountain. Well, let's show you the little picnic area over here first. I don't know if there's still a grill over here or not. It looks like it may be a stone grill up there. I think it may be. Tell you what, let's see if we can bring our girl in on this and ask her some stuff. Okay, girl, we're over here at Mason Mill Park, which is the former city of Decatur Water Works. When was this, when were the waterworks opened? When did it close?
The WaterWorks facility within Mason Mill Park has a fascinating history. Construction was completed in 1907, and it served as a primary water source for the city of Decatur until the 1940s. After the city outgrew the facility's capacity in the early 1940s, operations eventually ceased, and the site fell into disrepair. Interestingly, the area had already begun its transition into a recreational space in the 1930s through Works Progress Administration, WPA projects, which added amenities like benches, grills, and a stone bridge over Burnt Fork Creek, features you can still see remnants of today as you explore the park. Would you like to know more about the specific history of those WPA-era additions? Or perhaps...
No, but when was the waterworks? You said, well, when did it shut down? In the 40s? I am right here at that stone fountain right now. I've got some excellent pictures of this stone fountain and the old bridge across Burnt Fork Creek.
The Decatur Water Works facility officially opened in December 1907 after construction wrapped up. As for its shutdown, it began phasing out as Decatur's primary water source in the early 1940s because the city outgrew its capacity. Dekalb County took it over to supply the military, like the Naval Air Station, which is now Peachtree Dekalb Airport, during World War II. After the war ended, it briefly served as a backup system before being fully decommissioned, and the old reservoirs were eventually drained in the mid-1960s. That WPA-era stone fountain and bridge you're standing by were put in during the 1930s, when the grounds were briefly being treated as a park before the war effort locked it down. Enjoy the photo shoot. Those old stone structures make for fantastic subjects.
Okay, here is that old stone fountain. There is still a perimeter around it. It's still even got a little nozzle up there at the top. I call these swamp sunflowers, is what I call them. And we've got people on the bridge, so we won't go over there until they get finished. Or either we can stop the video and then go over there. Let's do that, and then we will go to those. Well, I'll tell you what, let's work our way down to these ruins. Okay, so this is Burnt Fork Creek, and the dam and the waterworks were backed up on Burnt Fork Creek. This is going to come into South Peachtree Creek, further downstream here. And then that little creek is coming out of Glen Lake. I think they call it Glen Creek. Comes in right there at that railroad trestle. Okay, we're coming in right on the back end. We usually don't come in this way. We usually come in from over there and come down. I love all this graffiti. I have just sold these shoes. I don't know how good they are as far as traction. We might want to break our silly neck right here. But look at all the colors and stuff. That's silver. Let's see if we can get down here without breaking our neck. If the phone goes flying, you'll know I'm in the air as well. And we're zoomed out as far as the phone will go. Now I think we can still get up steps around the corner there and come up and let you see on the inside. I believe they may have that fenced off where we can't get to that anymore. And it used to be much more access. Whoa! Used to be much better access all around here. But when they made the park and more people started coming, they have restricted a lot of the access. We're going to go on down and around. This is slick mud down here. Awfully humid and damp down here. If y'all like these videos, please like, share, and subscribe. I'll give you as much knowledge or history as I can about this stuff. And we'll bring the girl back in again. I think she adds a lot. Y'all will have to let me know what y'all think, but she adds a lot of information quickly that I do not have access to and do not know. And don't need to try to remember all of it. Let's see if these steps are blocked off, whether we can get up or not. Now this is turned into a little pond. It used to not be like this. This wasn't here. I don't know if they dammed this up or whether it's just a natural depression came upon it. But this used to not be here. There's that other tank over there. This is remnants of one of those buildings where I've got some really good pictures of those gables. Well, somebody painted over this graffiti. I wonder if it was too vulgar and the county painted over it or what. Okay, there are those steps. We can get there, but it is wet and muggy. We'll go up the steps on this other one instead of this one. Now, this also used to be a hobo camp. I mean, I used to come over here. I started coming over here in 1962. When we got back from Washington, our field trip, a patrol field trip, 1962, Steve Gilliam and I don't know if Steve would still remember this or not, we followed the creek coming out of Glen Lake Park all the way over here and found this place. And I've been coming back ever since. We went along the railroad track down behind North Decatur Shopping Center over there. We'll go up those steps over there. And you can still see the water pipe. And so we normally come in right down through here. And the old road was coming right down here. We'll go up here and cross the little runoff. They came in and, you know, installed a lot of rocks and all this kind of stuff to make it more of a little natural type deal. Okay, let's pause it until we get across. Well, let's go ahead and show this to you. We're going to get these videos maybe 15 minutes each. So we'll be stopping this one shortly. There again, we're liable to break our silly neck with this rain. And look at that green slime. That is slick, folks. Slick, slick, slick. Okay, and again, Mason Mill Park, the tennis center up there. I'll try to provide y'all with interesting videos. I know I fail a lot of times, but we need your support. So like, share, and subscribe. Let's see. Let's go up to this part. Now we're going to walk up the steps and see what we can see, but I think we're going to be able to see more right here than we're going to be able to from up there. Yarrow spider, Jarrow, whatever how you pronounce them. Brighten this up some. It is dark down here. Okay, let's pause it. I'll tell you what, this is almost 14 minutes. Let's end this one and we'll start a second one.